First, open your browser and search for Yandere Simulator. Now scroll down until you find this site. The first site that appears. When you enter this website, you will see a tab called Download. Click on it. Then scroll down until you find this link. And then click on it. You will be redirected to this site with several ways to download. I recommend you to use Mediafire as it works on all computers. Click on the link, then wait for the cooldown. And click on the blue button, and it will start downloading the game. When the download is complete, locate the folder, right-click on it and click on Extract All. Once you've finished extracting, open the folder and look for the game icon. Double-click it and you'll open the game, and you can play it now. And done, you can adjust the graphics settings too. Make Yandere run better on your computer. On YouTube, search for PoseMod Yandere Simulator and click on the video that is being shown. Now scroll down to the description. Click on ..more and click on this link. It will open this website. Now click on the gray download button and then download as a zip file. Then it will start downloading. After that, extract the PoseMod folder. Now click on the extracted folder, then on the folder inside it, and leave your folder open on this page. Open the game folder, and leave it and the PoseMod folder side by side. Then copy all the files in the PoseMod folder, and paste them into the game folder. If it asks to replace, click Yes. Now click on PoseMod 60 for X and done. Press X to open the PoseMod menu. You move with the arrow keys on your keyboard and confirm an option with the E button.